Because I wish some more army officers also were watching it, and they also hear it. Generally an army officer doesn't disagree with an army officer, but here, since General Nair has gone on deputation to Assam Rifles, Central Paramilitary Force, I feel I have a right to speak, but within the military decorum. Mana Hairibadu foreign national yaud Havdi Lali Chin Cookie Hirasi Laime Amsibu Myanmar si Thai Queen Burma go Buduni Adu foreign national Tarikanano foreign national Oidusibo. It's a straightaway denial. All Manipurda labor Kukisi 1835 the Lagpa who has spent 100 years there Manipur city Indian citizen, Manipuri Indian citizen. We take them as Manipuri. Other than them, all Chin Kuki who had migrated from Myanmar, they are foreigners. So how can General Nair deny it? So I think General Nair has not done his homework before speaking all this. I have heard his interview twice, thrice, I have analyzed it. He has spoken, and moment the question is asked to him, I will answer you next time. I will answer. He diverted the answers. So in this case, he is wrong. And second point, I wanted to ask him when he says that, well, we have been neutral. If he was neutral at the start of the conflict in May 2023, 3rd May, Manipur police ne helicopter chat kiya. Why was the helicopter not allowed to land in More? Is Manipur government takes order from Assam Rifle? Assam Rifle has been requisitioned by Manipur government to stay in More, do police duty. Then why did Assam Rifle deny Manipur police to land in a helicopter? It is only after the SDPO died, the commando forcibly went inside by foot. So these are the questions which General Nair has to answer us.
I'm coming back to you again. The whole question of this conflict, what was the very foundation of this conflict? And the Chief Minister of Manipur is for time and again repeatedly have illegal immigrants the same thing India Union Home Minister India Parliament floor illegal immigrants involvement now responsible Assam Rifles ki DG man haitare DG oramba man handaki conflict de yam chauna actively handaki Assam Rifles ki makok thumulu chingba moina leikhiba adu manu pam khang haribu nu pasina mangna haibasi da they are not there. Illegal immigrants sing aduga Burmese national makhaisi handaki conflict da yaw we have evidence laiti have as babung Masi how significant? Mana thami wafum se kaya mga maru ay masi chumena ko lawo lalin na lawo pong kamay na masi implication lain ni kan bi kamay kan bi.
If you go from here to Ukhrul Road, I've forgotten the name of that place where there are 5,000 illegal immigrants. There is no fencing also. Aduga their number is more than the local villagers, Tangul villagers. So are they? If they are not foreigners, what are they then? Please ask him this question. If those people who have come from Myanmar and staying in the camp there without fencing, if they are not illegal immigrant and not foreigner, what is their status? What will he call them? Will he call them Indians? They are not Indians. To be an Indian citizen, you should be born in India and you should be within the demographic structure of the country or various states. Okay. So he is incorrect.
Okay, he is incorrect. Thank you very much. I'm coming back to now. I'm coming to Pabung measure. I'm going to say Pabung the laksaning bazi. Equally, Pabung sa na have out do piramba wafam do magnia in the lapujaning is yamna masi wafam zizo yamu question mo na hangke news 9 da coordination naman later very state force ka equally Assam Rifles ka gimarak coordination naman later bra aduga Assam Rifles na state forcing the cooperation P the bra have wafam zini and again certain collusion labra mukna bakon of anything labra kot pra haidana yam wang yam seriously hangi wang amakak ni masida mahang na kungi bazi there was no Manipur police and it was Meitei police and Kuki police adu Manipur police ethnic line da divide togre bifurcate togre amana Meitei police haiba mane amana Kuki police haiba mane ani thokna leigre habani now Manipur government gi behalf ta haiba tare manipur police ki makok thungba officer IK Muibana pi ki ma ki press briefing about the ma amuk react to ki baze General Nair gi statement jida manipur police it's not divided on communal lines masida mapan gi melen gi ju yawe manipur de le community khudi mak including Kuki Naga and Maitai lone mak yawe haidana ma na thamgi wafam ju lai manipur police na thame iba wafam amasung General Nair na thame wafam ani je pong kama yengbi
is IG Muiba sahib na hai ki yaninge Manipur police last 20-30 years they were a very neutral force ne magi recruitment policy it is not one-sided policy aduna till now Manipur police has worked in 𝗬𝗏𝗄𝗧, Manipur police has worked in More, Manipur police has worked in 𝗏𝗏𝗄𝗧, Segmai, all these places aduga one big mistake news 9 da May 2023 the race tawbani Assam rifle ji 𝗬𝗏𝗄𝗧 da akoi entry tawbra check tawdu kari chaidi pi gibno karamba chief minister na pi gibno number 1 adi More the police station du lock tawraga police am bau patrolling chat tabdu kana na salandri no More gi praja maitai praja hai rasira More citizen ambo protest tawde we don't have a police station adi no police officer of the Manipur police raised that, sir, why have you stopped or dropped in More? We have no job. Aduna ai sam khangi 2022 daina More chapakanda hanganda lakanda tenu Assam rifle check tawra kanda nakandra cha thakna police me have the uniform chele yamne demoralized from me. The question I have to ask the government of Manipur was why Assam rifle which you have requisition. Who gave them the job to check the people entering More? Who gave the job to patrol the More area? And why was the Manipur police station closed of Manipur police? The second point border fencing the border security force that is the prerogative of the Home Minister. Assam Rifle Pigre up to 15 kilometers from the border Assam Rifle can patrol, but the police duty still remains valid. Punjab to controversy is 50 kilometers the BSF the patrolling towni police towni the Punjab government object to give local police of Punjab will function is police duties BSF 50 kilometers the towning it to but local police this is my question to the government of Manipur in 2023 May in News 9 when I raised the question nobody answered the public is not keen. My request to the Manipur public is please be alert what is happening around you not be akoi isana it doesn't matter me hainat lai badagi ni wangasi wari basi aigi police station closed or the aina haibat tabni why my police station is not working why police patrolling is not there adugi consequence to we are facing today similarly it happened in 𝗬𝗏𝗄𝗧 da 𝗬𝗏𝗄𝗧 Kopta the Mai Thabada Assam rifle the spectator in a young lay Nakam no me to Mama Tabak the Yale to Tumin home Nakandi the Roy Kangi Biduni what happened to the medical college students girls no parents owned up everybody wants to save his children but in reality some wrong things took place that we don't know but people who knows they kept quiet because they don't want to harm their prestige. Aduna lot of wrong thing has taken place and Assam Rifle has been a spectator to it willingly and I don't think unwillingly. So this the people of Manipur should know through this channel. Adudani aduga
aina pong to lang nimo question sing sa ina pong sar tang jagi same question duni Assam first hozik ikoi Assam first replace to godo buni haidana even Manipur gi apex body more ba kokomi na masigi matang iho ho gi balere aduga maroi na Manipur gi maitai sing gi maikai de yam kanna lauri ba Assam first is very unfair towards maitai si pabung yabining bra aduga Assam first say ikoi gi pro cookie oi habazi mana yam kanna General Nair yam kanna yade habatare Handa ki irang sida they are not sided with anyone aduga General Nair na haigi bazi khulai chanipan hena cookie sing dagi khongkat li haidana handak se hai aduga bunker chahum hena thugai cookie gi ado masi me amji ekoi Assam Rifle na tawdoi ji kai gino cookie mi chang chang ga de hai kari happening
Assam Rifle is pro cookie in 𝗬𝗏𝗄𝗧 in More in Kangpokpi. Aduga Koktukresu Assam Rifle na aina tabada moina kapi gay cookie na kapi gay wangang de adigi Meitei village volunteer force na kapaga cookie do gi the kitang ngamsalakan Assam Rifle moi kanbalai asi news si Yangang Popi de Sutai Koktuk de Sutai Ari Torbung side to Sutai Aduga More side to Su. This is a common news. Aduga mi amatan hype nate various group na hype ne ko.
Okay, Pong. Thank you very much. Okay, Pong happy.
Related to General Nair's interview, I just want to make it clear to general public. Manipur government has been very generous. Look at the transit camp given to Assam Rifle in the prime heartland of Manipur, Imphal city. And today what they have done, like an occupation army, they have put a wire fencing outside just on the road. Police cannot go there. It looked like a private army there. So this is one General Nair should know. Then second point, you gave Mantri Pukhi to Assam Rifle to cater to one battalion. 4th Assam Rifle was in Kangla. And they have given so much of land that they have opened a golf course there. Again after Manorama Devi incident, to leave that place, they took another land in Kaithel Manbi. So Assam Rifle, and then tell me, in Manipur University, Assam Rifle is in the hillock. This is the only university in India where a police paramilitary force is in the campus. So there is no land in Manipur where Assam Rifle is not there. When will they leave this place? When will the government have the courage to tell them this is either given to you on lease or on rent? You please leave. And has Meghalaya given you, where Assam Rifle headquarters, is enough land for yourself? They have not given them any much land except the headquarters. Manipur has been very generous. So if so much we are generous, they should be neutral to Meiteis also. They are not neutral. Be neutral, the peace will come back to this place.
Okay. Oh, thank you very much, Pong.
See, please realize that Assam Rifle, like Colonel Saab has said, raised in this many years, Silchar and all those things. It is a remnant of the colonial area. They came as the owner of Manipur and they put Assam Rifle or the force then to look after the security of the political agent based in Manipur when the king was ruling under the British rule. So after 47, when India has become independent, first thing is, why do you call Northeast India? Why don't you call us Eastern India? This is the fault of New Delhi. One question. Second point is, remove the leftover of the colonial era, separating the complete eastern portion from the rest of the India. Put the Assam Rifle as any forces of the like BSF, ITBP posting to any part of the country. Put them any part of the country, we have no problem. Why specifically to us? They have got vested interest after that, because you have stayed for a long time. Whoever takes Assam Rifle battalion for a long period, they mix up with the hill tribes, then they settle around, then there is a horse north, because they don't get posting every 3 years.
Okay.
So it is a problem for Manipur or any other state.
Okay.
So best thing is make it central forces, remove them out.
Okay.
Even they have promised.
Remove the women thanks. I question another bong the last again. Question C. I'm trying to refer to another interview while he was in his official capacity as the DG of Assam Rifles. Mana Assam Rifles ke DG. Oye madam the mana piba interview with the Haidare. Media very recently mana piba interview with the man Haivazi. Assam Rifles ke composition after Assam Haivatare. How's Hanadi Assam Rifles se mapung in the Northeast ki Northeast ki na majority of the composition. So now 25% young later now. How's it say after Assam? Assam ki mathang da quite masing yambazi Manipur and Manipur does mighty quite masing yam Assam Rifles the origin. And then you can ask to any mighty or any cookie. Assam Rifles and the situation combine handle to get I don't hung biona. The same things and the key interviews to man high. The composition of Assam Rifles the origin my tasting say. In any way, man haribo magi argument habatare magi explanation jina pabung justified to win a lowra Maitai Mama Asam Rifles Yawi, so you can refer to any Maitai Amada Hangbaya Aduna can magi arguments in justify to number pabung Asam Rifles say yam neutral over force of inhabitants.
Ngamde magia mana go interview the 25% lower rest of the other people from the rest of the
India, yes.
So Colonel Sarat has a different answer for this.
Okay, have you? Man have a Asam Rifles Manipuri is it was out of necessity.
That he has to say to save his skin.
Okay.
Because he's been briefed by Home Ministry. That you answer like this. But conduct of Assam Rifle in 𝗠𝗔𝗄𝗎 and More especially is questionable. Aduna Hariba Assam Rifle ki battalion singchi officers amde they are controlled by majority troops controlled of troops the cookie in Haibi amta ba. They are over dependent on cookies for whatever reasons. Aduna if you remember that incident May 2023 da kanodagi kwakithen deina khonangani karaki red light phauda Assam Rifle nupi kare pore adu I card mera pai bina I card ulu natraga Aadhaar card ulu nupi singh moine yadre air the fire toroga whole night to fire toroga chatki and Manipur government tolerated that nonsense. What action have they taken against the officers? They have not taken any action. What action have they taken? Have they given you a report on Manorama Devi incident? Nothing. So it is time now people of Manipur should get up and say, please do as per the rules. We are also good Indians. We belong to this country. Please treat us like good Indian citizens.
Okay, Pang, I say 1 minute answer moment. I love the game. I General Nair magi interviews is just critical over point lokat padunatana to some positive magi aspect. Ama nidang pick up the way I arrive with I couldn't sit on Dragadi yam unfair over Tadu Brahave question today. Now, General Nair Natham Givazi, I'm serious in Thamgivazi, Golden Triangle gi concerns in Afghanistan, the Taliban gi take over to Matunda starting from 1996, 1995, Taliban totally prohibition of poppy cultivation. Afghanistan 95% the come down to revenue. 95% say eliminate poppy cultivation. Now then it was completely shifted to Golden Triangle. Adugi impact ama hujuk Manipur lay have simedi mayam clearly high. Ani suboda border gi matang sida leiba magi terrain gi aduga at the same time border pillar amaga gi alignment ji mafam marang khangdaba aduga and again forest region sida yamna difficult oina move to ya ba yada bagi area mayam ama lei masina masida law and order amasung border gi area si deal to boda yam chawna khudong chada ba mayong nei haiba ama ahum suboda inga sai tamoda hangjaki ba haijaki ba except More gi mafam sinatana atai di More se madi Burma government control the way Burmese military na aduga apart from More nataba atopa lairiba border region ayambadi PDF ki control the lairi have ni kai react to winning starting from the hobiro
kare Golden Triangle ki demand I believe to me demand for drugs the angle hai aduga demand for drugs angle Manipur is a drug route adulla ibadu it will go further ahead.
Okay.
Then money brings money and more money brings.
Okay.
Now 2 years back fertilizer low ubagi jat ke lupa cham phangni fertilizer poppy thabai the puradi lupa lising phangni na poppy growing was going on in Manipur. So it is because of the stopping of Afghanistan the demand is increased in that area, so root the labor fertile area.
So his statement was